Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're diving into an important topic, English vocabulary for the environment.
We'll explore words and phrases that help you talk about nature, pollution, climate change, and more.
If you care about the planet and want to learn how to discuss it in English, this lesson is for you. Let's get started. First, let's look at some basic words you can use to talk about the environment.
These are words you'll hear in conversations, news, or even movies about nature. Nature.
Nature refers to everything in the world that is not made by humans, like plants, animals, and landscapes.
For example, I love spending time in nature. Protecting nature is very important. Environment.
The environment is the world around us, including the air, water, land, and all living things.
For example, we must take care of the environment. Pollution damages the environment. Ecosystem.
An ecosystem is a community of plants, animals, and other organisms that live and interact in a specific area.
For example, the forest is a rich ecosystem. Pollution can harm delicate ecosystems.
Let's move on to words that describe the natural world.
These words will help you describe forests, rivers, mountains, and more. Forest.
A forest is a large area covered with trees.
For example, many animals live in that forest. Forests are important for producing oxygen. River.
A river is a large, flowing body of water that usually goes to the ocean or a lake.
For example, the Amazon is the longest river in the world. Rivers provide water for people and animals. Mountain.
A mountain is a high, rocky area of land.
For example, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. Many people enjoy hiking in the mountains. Ocean.
An ocean is a huge body of salt water.
For example, the Pacific is the largest ocean. Oceans are home to many marine animals. Desert.
A desert is a dry area with little rain.
For example, the Sahara is the largest desert in the world. Deserts are often very hot during the day.
Now, let's talk about environmental problems, starting with pollution.
Pollution happens when harmful substances damage the air, water, or land. Pollution.
There are different types of pollution. Air pollution, smoke and chemicals that harm the air. Water pollution, trash and chemicals in rivers, lakes, or oceans. Land pollution, waste and harmful materials on the ground.
Examples. Factories cause air pollution. Plastic waste leads to water pollution.
Climate change refers to the long-term changes in the Earth's weather patterns.
For example, climate change is causing more extreme weather. We must reduce greenhouse gases to stop climate change. Greenhouse effect.
The greenhouse effect is when gases like carbon dioxide trap heat in the atmosphere.
For example, the greenhouse effect makes the planet warmer.
Sustainability means using resources in a way that doesn't harm the environment.
Here are some important words for talking about green living.
Renewable energy comes from sources that don't run out, like wind, solar, or water.
For example, we need to use more renewable energy.
Recycling means turning waste into new products.
For example, please recycle your plastic bottles.
Conservation means protecting natural resources.
For example, wildlife conservation is very important.
Finally, let's look at some common phrases.
This means to live in a way that helps the environment.
For example, we should all try to go green by saving energy.
This is a common phrase for managing waste.
For example, remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle to save the planet.
Remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle to save the planet.
We can use more renewable energy and recycle more. I love walking in the forest. It's so peaceful.
Me too. Spending time in nature is relaxing. Do you recycle at home?
Yes, I always recycle plastic and paper.
That's all for today's lesson on environmental vocabulary.
We hope you learned something new and are inspired to talk about the environment in English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.